Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. I want to start by saying thank you very much for watching all my videos all the way to the end. I appreciate you very much. In today's video, I am going to do a Black History eye makeup look. I am going to use the box of crayons eyeshadow palette. I am also going to do the I ams. And I will also read a card. And I will also give some empowering and encouraging words. So please watch, share this video with someone else, and remember to subscribe. Let us start. I'm starting with green in the crease. And I want you to always seek help if you are having trouble. If things are not lining up for you, please seek help. Help is available. If you have an addiction, if you have mental illness, other ailments that you know you need help with, seek out help. Always remember, you are first. You have to take care of yourself. Do not neglect yourself. If you think that you are going to harm yourself, please call someone and tell them you just need to talk to them so you don't get to do something destructive. Today's self-love card says, I live and work in comfort and ease and beauty. Today's self-love card says, I live and work in comfort and ease and beauty. May you live in comfort and ease and beauty. Now I'm going in the yellow and I'm putting that in the inner corner. I'm just tapping it right in there. Some of this video might have music to it. Please enjoy. Today's I am. Today's I am came from the comments and it says, I am enjoying finding creative ways to enjoy life. I am finding creative ways to enjoy life. I am now going into the red. Today's I am is very, very true. We always have to find creative ways to enjoy life, especially as we age. As we age and we lose family, friends, neighbors, communities, we have to find other creative ways to enjoy life. We should not isolate ourselves, especially as we get older. We should have friends. We should have somebody we can talk to. We don't have to have a lot of people, but we should have somebody to talk to. Isolation for the human being is not the right thing or the best thing to do, especially as we age. Now I'm going into the black and I'm putting it in the outer corner. If you have hooded eyes, there are many ways you can wear your eyeshadow. I love colorful eyeshadows. And when I have to get into my crease, if my eyes are relaxed, you can't see my crease. I have this fold. So I have to stretch in order to get in here to do what I need to do. If you love eyeshadow and that's what you have to do to get to that spot, do that. Don't limit yourself because you have hooded eyes. All of these colors are matte so far. I gotta get a little sparkle. I could not finish the month of February without doing a Black History Month color eye look. I need to find a shimmer. You notice this side is wider than this side because of my hoodedness. One is more, if you look, I have more coverage over here that covers more. The fold comes all the way here. Over here, the fold comes here. So I always have to make sure that I play around with my eyeshadow to make it look even, or else it will look like it's not even, but it's just because how my hooded eyes fall. You know what I mean? How the fold falls. So now I add more, and this is it. Let me get some shimmers. I'm taking this green shimmer from another palette, and I'm going to put it in the crease right here. That's with it. That's without. Taking the same brush, and I'm adding a little gold right here. I think I took too much. I am back with today's look. I used the box of crayons, and I used black, yellow, red, and green. Those are the colors I use for my eyes. And then the shimmer, green shimmer that's in my crease came from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. This is this one. My lip color came from the Pat McGrath quad. It is this green right here for my lip color with a black liner. I have my tribal lines on me. My base is by Juvia's Place Pressed Powder Foundation, and this one is Zaria. I use LYS bronzer. My blush is by Juvia's Place. I use this shade right here. And some of this black by Juvia's Place on my lips and the inner part of my lips. This is it. I hope you enjoyed, and happy Black History Month to everyone who celebrates it. I want to say I love you very much. Bye.